I knew God was with me. I always used to pray. My prayer was I asked God not to let the devil kill me out here while I was in the streets before I could get back. But I said, if you give me one more chance at life and music, I promise you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So glad that you guys could tune back in. I know it has been like several months, but I'm so glad to have you guys. Sorry that it's taken so long. There's some things going on. I have some things in the works. If you guys follow me on social media, you guys know that I am in the process of producing my own cosmetic line. So that has kept me away from the camera for quite some time, but I am back. I'm getting ready to pump out these videos. Do want to apologize if you see me looking here. That's because that's my view of myself. So I apologize, but I know my camera is here. But yeah, so as y'all can see, and I'm sure from the title of this video, this is a wig try on brought to you by Sam's Beauty. I have on a t-shirt and everything, y'all. I was lounging around the house, but this wig looks to be so bomb that I was like, let me go ahead and do a video real quick just so I can wear it, because I really want to wear it tomorrow. So I'm like, I'm not gonna put it on until I do a review on this wig for you guys first. So I'm not gonna talk and make this too long for this introduction, but this wig is brought to you by Sam's Beauty. This is from the Outre collection, their lace front collection. This wig is in the style Halle. The color is 2T425. It does have a 6-inch Swiss lace deep parting, and it also has the jagged edge cut in the back, so kind of like cuts down into a V shape. But yeah, so I picked it up, wanted to really try it. Have not taken it out of the package or anything yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Yeah, you know, Outre, they like to make sure that their wigs are secure in the packaging. But this is the wig in all of the packaging. This is pretty long, y'all. Like, this is long. And I'm not used to really long wigs like this. This I want to say it doesn't say on here, but if I had to guess, I would say this was about 22-24 inches long. Of course, it comes with the net on the wig. Let me take this off and get everything off of it. Just gonna put it down here to the side. You know, it comes with everything in the middle here, all your paper and everything. And get all that out of there. Let me cut this off the thing. Pretty much what the wig looks like. It does have a body wave texture. It's not really a yucky texture. It's more along the lines of like a silky yucky texture, but this color is bomb.com. Okay, I can tell that it does have some layers in it, especially in the front, like right in here. I love the texture of it. I love the wave pattern as well, and I think that the color is super bomb. This is what the cap construction looks like. You do get 6 inches of parting space, which is super bomb. You do get a comb in the back along with your adjustable straps as well, and you do get 2 combs in the front. Of course, does have lace. I am going to cut the lace off. As of right now, it does not appear to need any plucking or tweezing or anything, but I will know for sure once I get it on. And if necessary, I will go ahead and pluck along the hairline to give it a really more of a natural hairline. But right now it looks pretty good. It does not look bad at all, but we shall see. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust my straps to my liking, and then we will pop it on. And I always apply my wigs this way. Some people will apply theirs from the front and then pull it down, but I like to do mine like this. To each their own. There is no right or wrong way. Whatever works for you. The lace is ear to ear, so that's good. I will show you guys what the hairline looks like. It's not terrible. I am going to add some baby hairs to it, but it probably could honestly use just a little bit of plucking. But I will know more. Actually, it's not bad. I think I might actually leave it alone because it's not terrible, to be honest. This is a lot of hair, y'all. Like, this is a lot of hair. So what I am gonna do is I'm going to pull it back because I want to be able to cut the lace off. So I'm gonna pull it back so that way I can get this lace cut. Okay, and I am also, if you're wondering, I am going to use some of my Got To Be glue freeze spray. And I am going to use just a little bit of glue as well. I'm going to go in with my Got To Be glue gel. And I'm going to slick down some baby hairs and cut it and everything. So we are going to speed right through this process. Okay. All right, guys. So what I did was I went ahead and created some baby hair. As you can see, I also put a little bit of my face powder just in the part to kind of make it look more realistic. And that is pretty much it for this unit. This unit is very long, like I said. I will show you. I'm about 5'3", and it comes right down to my breast area, and that's in the front. I'll pull the back around, and the back comes, let me pull it all to the front so you guys can see. And it comes right about just below my breast. So, and like I said, I am 5'3", so it is pretty long. It is a lot of hair also. I love my big hair, don't get me wrong, but yeah. So now that we have the wig applied, I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys about my thoughts on this wig. I'll be completely honest, the wig is beautiful. Yeah, it's really pretty. I need to do something with my sideburns. Like, I feel like I need to do something with these bad boys. Let me see. Now, I did not put any Got To Be glue right here. I should, but I'm scared because it's so close to my natural sideburns. So I might not. If I pull it behind my hair, I might just make sure that I pull it down and tuck it. I don't like to put Got To Be glue and freeze spray and all that. See, it's tangled. All that extra stuff on my actual hair. So I try to avoid it at all costs. But I'm gonna go ahead and slick down my sideburns. Just so that way they're not super, super bushy. And then I will go into details on my thoughts on this hair. Okay. All right, so there's that. Okay, so I will go into my thoughts on this hair. I could probably stand to put a little bit of mousse in it to make the wave pattern really pop, but I'm not gonna worry about that just right now. And see this side too. I did not really glue it down. Let me see. Too close to my sideburns. Like I said, I'm scared. I'm scared because I have really thick natural sideburns, and I try to keep them trimmed as much as possible. Me cutting them off is like pointless because they grow back so quickly, so I don't even worry about doing that. But yeah, a bit here. Okay. Okay, so like I said, I could probably get some mousse and put some mousse in it, or even a spray bottle of water, just to really get the wave pattern to pop more. But I went off to a whole nother tangent. But my review on this hair, the hair is gorgeous. I'm not gonna take that away from the company. The wave pattern is beautiful. I love the color. I love the texture. I really like this wig. This wig is fun, it's cute, it's simple, and it was easy to apply. Cons on this wig: I feel like over time with any synthetic wig, this wig is going to tangle, and it is going to tangle a lot. I feel like the ends are going to look really matted and dry. Now, I will say, however, that's not really a con, because if you are familiar or if you know how to take care of your synthetic wigs, this wig I feel like would be really super easy to revive, especially because of the actual pattern in this wig. This is a wavy pattern, so you could do like the boiling method with it, I believe, because it says it is up to 400 degrees heat safe. So you could possibly do the boiling method to revive your synthetic wig. If you guys want a video on how to do that, I'll be happy to show you. And so for that, with that and just a little bit of conditioner and dry shampoo to get rid of some of the shine, this wig would be perfect. And of course, you know, you want to make sure that you keep your wigs stored properly. You know, make sure that you keep them in the bags and everything, especially with synthetic wigs, because they will get matted. And once they get matted, you know, some people just throw them away. But I feel like that's a waste of money. Now, I will go in. I'm not sure the price on this wig. I want to say it is either $23 or $28.99, but I will leave it down in the description box below. But I do believe that it was $28 or $29 something with shipping once I actually purchased it. But overall, out of 10, I would probably give this wig like an 8. I like it. Like I said, I like it. I really like the color, and I like the pattern of this wig as well. And like I said, I also feel like the wig was easy to apply, and I feel like it will be easy to revive after a while. You know, you can get a good wear out of your wig, and then after a while you want to make sure that you take care of it, that you wash it and everything, even with synthetic wigs, if you're applying any type of product to it, just to keep it up and, you know, good for you to continue to wear, so that way you can get your money out of it. With synthetic wigs, I say, depending on how consistently you're wearing it, like if you're wearing it all the time, you could probably get away with proper care, you can probably get away with keeping your synthetic wigs for about 6 months to a year, give or take. I can personally, not sure about everybody else, but you know, synthetic wigs, you can kind of get your good wear out of it. So yeah, that's pretty much my review. I got hair everywhere, y'all. Like I got hair everywhere. Jesus. But anywho, so that is the end of this hair review. Like I said, I like the hair. If you're interested in purchasing, I will leave all of the information down in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. Again, this is by Sam's Beauty. This is not a sponsor video. I did purchase this wig with my own money. And yeah, so that's it. Oh, again, make sure that you subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. I almost forgot to tell you guys that. It's been so long since I've been on YouTube, but I am back, and I will be back again. The next video that you guys will see will be a makeup routine. I'm contemplating on doing an updated eyebrow routine for you guys first. I know I am plain Jane today because I've been busy, but I wanted to make sure that I brought you guys this review on this hair. So, what the devil? I got a visitor, y'all. I don't even know where the hell. You got to go, buddy. Y'all, I don't even know. Forgive me, Jesus, for what I was about to say, but I don't even know where the hell this thing came from. So anyway, I will see y'all again in my next video. Make sure that you do not forget to thumbs up this video, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you again in my next one. Make sure that y'all stay sweet. Bye.